Now, the children who have got first, second, and third position in the class, they have got their awards. Now, I would request Mayank Bhatt to say few words in front of the audience. Mayank Bhatt.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am a student of class 8, and today on this occasion, I want to thank all my respected teachers, my parents, and all my dear friends for their support and kindness. I want to thank my teachers for their great support, and most importantly, my parents. Now I want to share my experience of class 8 with you all. So my experience of class 8 was very great. My teachers were very hardworking and dedicated towards our studies. They were very helpful and kind. And other than studies, there were many extracurricular activities in our school, like debate competition, speech, and plays, in which I participated. Me and my friend enjoyed them very much. And these extracurricular activities ignites our curiosity, and these extracurricular activities improves our social understanding. So now I am looking forward to learn many more things in the upcoming classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, after that, I want Devan Joshi to come here and share his experience.
Good morning, everybody. I am Devansh, and talking about the experience which I had in class 8, it was a very wonderful experience because there were a lot of new friends which I met this year, and I found those friends very interesting. And talking about the hard work of the teachers, and it was very nice that many of the lessons were new to learn, and the teacher also proved their hardworking nature in front of us, and that's why we are able to overcome these challenges in our exams. And I want to thank the teachers and my parents for supporting me. And there were many extracurricular activities which my friend already talked about, and it was very interesting. Like there were team building activity and also the debates, and it was very interesting to do those type of activities. So I want to thank, and at last for the message of the juniors, I want to say that if you want to respect yourself, so firstly respect yourself, then your mistakes and failures, because those are the learning points for you, and then your achievement and success. Thank you.
Now, after that, Manisha Dhami.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Manisha Nami from class 7. So, today I would like to talk about my experience in previous class. Class 7 is very nice and amazing. All the teachers are very supportive and they help me a lot in studies and improve my communication skills also. It was very brilliantly nice days. If I talked about my best moment in this class, so that it is when I got first prize. I am very happy on this day, and I am very thankful to all the teachers and all my dear friends and my parents to give me a wonderful experiences and memories. So, thank you.
Thank you so much. Now, dear audience, at school our students take part in various interesting activities and events. A student dedication and determination made him winner in every field. So we have certificates for extracurricular activities which we had the whole year. Now, one by one, I'm announcing the names of those students and the participation for whatever activities he or she has done. Now, for chart competition, prize goes to Ishika of class 5th. And she has got second position for chart competition. Ishika of class 5th. From primary section, next prize goes first position in chart competition, Khushi Arya. Chart competition, Khushi Arya, first position. For dance competition, third prize goes to Digar Giri. Dance competition, third prize, Digar Giri. For dance competition, second prize goes to Arohi Tamta. From primary class, dance competition, first prize goes to Isha Verma. Dance competition, first prize. Now Sohalia has got 3 prizes for card making also, for competition on Mother's Day also. She has got second prize, Sohalia, for card making competition and on Mother's Day. So, second position. Now for herbarium competition, first prize goes to Ankita Rana, herbarium file competition. Ankita Rana, first position. From primary class, Kailash Kumar has got first position in speech and dance competition. Then from primary class, Diya Bish has got first position for Rakhi making and Diya decoration competition. Now Maya Bish has got second position for Rakhi making and chart competition. Now Radhika Joshi has got third position for Rakhi making and chart competition. Now for Diya decoration competition, second prize goes to Akshat Chandra Bhatia. For Diya decoration and herbarium pile competition, third position goes to Samriddhi Joshi. For Diya decoration competition, third position goes to Hamnam Ansari. For Diya decoration competition, second position goes to Chandan Lal. For Diya decoration and chart competition, first prize goes to Naman Joshi. For Rakhi making competition, second prize goes to Kartik Sharma.
बेटा यहाँ देखो।
Now I want Reena ma'am to give the certificates to the students. Now for Rakhi making competition, first position goes to Prachi Joshi.
She is absent.
For card making competition on Mother's Day, second position goes to Priya Kumari. For speech competition and chart competition, first position goes to Kartik Upreti. For herbarium file
कार्तिक यहाँ
competition,
देखो।
second prize goes to Kavya Adhikari. For dance competition, third position goes to Mayank Meena. For dance, Priya Kumari has got first position in card making competition on Mother's Day.
यहाँ देखिए।
Now first position for Rakhi making and dance competition prize goes to Garima. Hathwal. Dance competition, second position goes to Shavanya.
बेटा यहाँ देखो, यहाँ देखो,
Shavni.
यहाँ.
Now for Rakhi making competition, second position goes to Manel. For Diya decoration competition, first position goes to Vidit Bhatt. First position for card making competition on Mother's Day goes to Kavyanjali Bisht. For dance competition, second position goes to Yash Kumar.
यहाँ देखो.
For dance competition, first position goes to Arushi.
बेटा यहाँ देखो.
For Diya decoration competition, third position goes to Sarwar Umar.
यहाँ देखो.
For Diya decoration competition, second to Dipesh Kamta. For Diya decoration competition, first position goes to Yushra Hussain. For Rakhi making competition, first position goes to Rehan Bisht. Now it's time for junior classes. Now from class 8, Ayush, first position for Diya decoration competition. Khushi from class 8, third position for Diya decoration competition. Divyanshu from class 7, third position for Diya decoration competition.
यहाँ देखो, यहाँ.
Neelam from class 2 position for Diya decoration competition. Anvi from class 7, first position for Diya decoration competition. From class 8, Lokesh got first position for speech on World Environment Day. From class 6, Muskan got third position for Diya decoration competition. From class 7, Anush got second position for Diya decoration competition.
यहाँ देखो.
Now, for Diya decoration competition, first prize goes to Anshuman.
बेटा यहाँ बैठो.
For greeting card making, third position goes to Jatin from class 11. Sorry, 8.
यहाँ देखो, अंशुमन.
Jatin from class 8. For greeting card making. Now from class 8, first position for poem writing, wrapping making and Diya decoration competition, Payal Ansari. Now from class 6, Ankit got second position World Environment Day. From class 6, Shraddha got third position for speech on World Environment Day. From class 6, Jiten got third position for Rakhi making competition. Class 6, Jiten. From class 6, Vidya got first position for Rakhi making competition. From class 7, Aditya got second position for speech on World Environment Day. Aditya, class 7. Akansha from class 7 got second position for speech on World Environment Day. Now Priyanka Lohia, class 8,
यहाँ देखो.
she has got third position for essay writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. Now from class 6, Kiran Joshi got first position on World No Tobacco Day essay and writing competition. Now from class 6, Kusum got first position on World No Tobacco Day essay and speech competition. Now Lalit Kholia of
यहाँ
class
देखो।
8 got first position for World No Tobacco Day essay and speech competition. ये बेटा जिनको भी अगर वो स्कूल में आए हैं और आपको सर्टिफिकेट्स यहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं तो आप जल्दी जल्दी से आइए। कुछ बच्चे बाहर भी हैं, आप अपना नाम ध्यान से सुनेंगे। Now Nikita Pal of class 8 got first position on World No Tobacco essay and speech competition.
बेटे यहाँ देखो।
Now Abhishek of class 8 got first position on World No Tobacco Day essay and speech competition. Now next is Anshika
यहाँ
Tyagi
देखो,
of
यहाँ
class
देखो।
8 got first position in World No Tobacco Day essay and World Environment Day competition.
यहाँ देखना।
Now award to Sia for second position goes to Diya decoration competition. Class 8 Sia second position. Now class 6 Khushi got third position in Diya decoration competition. Khushi Gujaria. Now from class 8 Ankit
यहाँ
got
देखना।
first position on speech on World Environment Day. Ankit of class 8. Second position from class 8 on speech on essay writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. First position for World No Tobacco Day essay writing competition. Now Akansha from class 7 got third position for essay writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. Tobacco Day essay and writing competition and for card making competition. Now class 7
रितिका, यहाँ
Sadhya
देखना।
got second
यहाँ देख।
position for World No Tobacco Day essay and writing competition. Now Manisha Dhami of class 7 got first position on World No Tobacco Day essay writing and Rakhi making competition. Now Radhika of class 6 got first position on
यहाँ
World
क्यों
No
नहीं
Tobacco
देखा?
Day essay and writing competition. Now from class 8 Khushi Pal, third position for World No Tobacco Day essay and writing competition. Now Aman Kumar got second position. Now I would request Pandey sir कि वो भी कुछ सर्टिफिकेट्स बच्चों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें. Now next prize goes to Payal Joshi of class 6. Payal Joshi of class 6 for third position in World No Tobacco Day essay and writing competition. From class 6, Anandi got second position on essay and writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. World
यहाँ
No
देखो।
Tobacco Day. From class 8, Ayush Kathayar got second position on essay and writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. Now Devansh Joshi of class 8 got first position for participating in essay and writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. Now Aman Kumar of class 6 got second position for essay writing competition on World No Tobacco Day. Now, all the prize winners are source of motivation for students who are not winning any prizes. Our weakness lies in giving up. So, to succeed, we should always बच्चों के जो respective class teachers हैं, उनसे उनकी class result ले सकते हैं. Thank you so much.